everyone, welcome back to the Smart Gear Home. Ever feel like pet hair takes over your home? Or crumbs seem to appear out of nowhere? I used to spend hours cleaning, but nothing worked. Vacuum cords everywhere, heavy machines, missed spots. And don't get me started on tangled hair in the brush. Then I found the Airdiya cordless vacuum cleaner. It's lightweight, cordless, and so easy to use. No more tripping over cords or dragging a heavy vacuum. The 40 kPa suction is honestly impressive. It picks up pet hair, crumbs, and even cat litter. I just glide it over my hardwood and low-pile carpet. Everything disappears. No more stubborn debris left behind. And it's surprisingly quiet, only 65 dB. Perfect for cleaning without waking anyone up. The battery lasts up to 35 minutes on one charge. That's plenty of time for my whole apartment. Charging is quick, just 4.5 hours for a full charge. I love the charge indicator on the detachable battery. It lets me know exactly when it's ready to go. The 6-layer filtration system is a game changer. It traps 99.99% of dust, even tiny particles. My air feels fresher and my allergies are better. Cleaning the filters is easy. Just rinse and dry. I try to do it every month for best results. Switching attachments is super simple. The 2-in-1 brush handles my sofa and curtains. The crevice tool gets into tight spots and corners. And the extendable wand? Great for sealing dust. It even transforms into a handheld vacuum. Perfect for cleaning my car or tabletop messes. At only 2.8 pounds, it's so light to carry. I can clean for ages without my arm getting tired. Self-standing design means no wall mounts needed. I just park it anywhere mid-clean. A quick tip. Always use the original adapter. It protects the battery and keeps charging smooth. If it ever stops, check for tangled hair or debris. Just clear the brush roll and you're good to go. For pet owners, this is honestly a must-have. No more fur tumbleweeds rolling across the floor. Homeowners and apartment dwellers, this is for you too. It's versatile enough for any space, big or small. I love how it handles hardwood, tile, and low-pile carpet. It's not for thick carpets, but perfect for most homes. The suction power has 2 modes, standard and max. Standard mode for everyday messes. Max mode for those deep cleanse after a busy week. I usually start on standard, then switch to max for rugs. My cleaning routine is so much faster now. No more going over the same spot again and again. I actually look forward to vacuuming now, and my place looks spotless every day. The design is modern and sleek, looks great in any room. I even leave it out because it's so compact. The multifunctional brushes are a lifesaver. From floors to ceilings, it covers everything. And the handheld mode is perfect for quick pickups. If you have pets, you'll love how it handles hair. Just remember to clear the brush roll regularly. That keeps the vacuum running smoothly. I also recommend activating the new battery fully. Charge and deplete it 2 to 3 times for best performance. It really helps maximize the runtime. And don't forget to clean or replace the filters. That way suction stays strong and effective. If you're tired of heavy, noisy vacuums, try this. It's light, powerful, and super convenient. My cleaning time is cut in half, honestly. Ready to make cleaning easier and faster? Try the Airdiya cordless vacuum cleaner today. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Check out the link and see it in action. Make your home spotless, the easy way. Happy cleaning.